What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, I got a nice little piece of film, tint film in my hands right now. Got this from Amazon for a whopping $5 with Amazon Prime. And if you haven't guessed it already, I will be showing you guys how to tint the side markers on your Challenger. And I know that there's a lot of companies out there that kind of sell these pre-cut for, I think, $20, $30, $40. I don't know what the kits run nowadays though, but hey, for $5 on Amazon, you know, we're all about do yourself here, so as much as you can. So we're gonna show you guys how to do it. Pretty simple installation. I've done a lot of research on it and it holds pretty well though. So now obviously I've got a pretty good color combination of black and red in the car. The only difference is I've actually got the side markers are orange in the front and then red in the back. So I'm just gonna tint the front for now and just kind of see how it looks. I'll probably want to keep in the red reflective in the back just because it just doesn't really bother me too much. You know, it kind of goes with the back of the car anyway. So without further ado, first, obviously you're gonna need your film. Again, I got it from Amazon. I'll drop the link down below on where I got it and all that kind of good stuff. Then you're gonna need your alcohol to kind of prep the surface, obviously with the rag, the squeegee, and then I actually got two cutting tools. I got an X-Acto knife and the cutting tool. So we'll see which one kind of works best, and then we will go from there. All right, guys, let's get cracking. Excuse the noise outside. Life happens, right? So again, let's take our alcohol. Let's prep our surface so we have some good contact. Okay, it's good. I already went ahead and just kind of cut out a piece of film. Again, it was $5 for this. I think it was a roll of 12 by 48 inches. So definitely way more than I need for this. I'm just gonna do the front two markers anyway, but I do have an idea for the rear. So I will be saving the rest and kind of doing a little trial and error. If it does work out, I'll make a video out of it and how to do some of the back pieces also. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so let's take off the back piece. Obviously, one side is sticky, one side is not. So make sure you put that on. And make sure you don't pull it too much. Just let it kind of settle in. Okay. Grab your squeegee. Got one little bubble right there, so let's get off. Okay, and all this white stuff you see here, don't worry about it. That's the outer protective film, so we'll peel that off at the very end. Okay, and then you're gonna take your knife and you're just gonna slowly sort of trace around it and cut off all the excess. All right, let's peel off our excess. Okay, and then just take your finger and just kind of go over all the edges, make sure it's all nice and sealed properly. You could take a heat gun and go over it real quick just to kind of speed up the curing process, but you know, it's 100 degrees out here today, so I'm just gonna probably park the car outside for about an hour and that should take care of it. There you go. Alright, let's go on the other side, same thing, rinse and repeat, and then I will show you guys the final product. Alright, you can see, all done, same thing. Looks really, really good actually. I didn't realize, like, I mean I did, but I didn't, you know, I'm trying not to pay too much attention to it, how much that orange kind of stuck out. With them being blacked out now, it's gonna look really, really good now. Alright guys, here is the final product. This is in the daylight. As you can see, nice and clean. Came out really nice actually though, so check it out. Show you the other side.